Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking our HTML skills a step further and learning how to add paragraphs to our web pages. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what we learned in the last video. HTML tags help us add different elements to a web page. Most tags have an opening and closing tag. Just like the heading tags, paragraph tags in HTML work the same way. Alright, so let's now talk about the paragraph tag. In HTML, we use the p tag to create paragraphs of text. The paragraph tag also has an opening and closing tag. Here is what it looks like in code. Everything inside the p tags will be displayed as a single paragraph on our web page. Let's have a look to see what happens when we have multiple paragraph tags. Each time we add a new p tag, you create a new paragraph. As you can see, each p tag creates a new paragraph, and they will all show one after the other with a little space between them. Now it's your turn. You'll need to create a new folder in the editor called 03 paragraphs. Inside the folder, create an index.html file, then create the basic HTML code needed for a web page as shown in previous videos. Then inside the body, create 3 paragraphs about something you like, such as hobbies or favorite foods, anything. Here is example code to get you started. Once you are done, save your file and run the live server and see what your paragraphs look like on a web page. It's a simple way to add a lot of content to your web page. Here is one way to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is create a folder. Click on the create folder icon and type 03 paragraphs. Inside the folder, we're going to create a file called index.html. We're going to add the doc type HTML. Under that, we're going to create the HTML tags. Inside that, we'll add the head, and then add the title paragraph. Under the head, we'll add the body tags, and inside that, we'll add the p tag. This is a paragraph. We're going to copy and paste this 2 times. Command S to save. Right click and open with live server. And there you have it. Well done on another video. You have now learned how to create paragraphs into your web page, and your HTML skills are growing. In the next lesson, we are going to be learning about images in HTML. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. Happy coding!